Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage your public profile info on Facebook. Maybe you want to manage it but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your public profile info on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this page. To continue, simply tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be directed into this. You need to scroll down and you will see in here the settings and privacy. Simply tap on this drop down button. And then in here, you will see these settings. Once you are in here, you will see under the settings and privacy the preferences and also the audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you have to tap on these followers and public comment. After that, you can scroll down and you will see here the public profile info. Manage, you can like or comment on profile information that is always public, including your profile picture, profile videos, cover photos, featured photos, and updates to your bio. As you can see, you can set it to public, friends of friends, or just friends. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your public profile info on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage the public profile info on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.